Once upon a time in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a family named the Evergreens. The Evergreens were known throughout the village for their strong bond and their love for nature. The family consisted of Mr. and Mrs. Evergreen, their 3 children Lily, Max, and Finn, and their loyal dog, Barkley. The Evergreens spent their days exploring the woods, picnicking by the river, and tending to their garden. Each member of the family had their own special connection to nature. Lily had a green thumb and could make any plant flourish with her gentle touch. Max had a keen eye for wildlife and could spot animals from miles away. Finn, the youngest, had a heart as big as the sky and a laugh that could brighten even the gloomiest day. One summer, a terrible storm swept through the village, leaving behind a trail of destruction. Trees were uprooted, homes were damaged, and the once lively village was left in despair. The Evergreens were not spared from the storm's wrath. Their garden was destroyed, their roof was damaged, and their spirits were dampened. But instead of wallowing in despair, the Evergreens decided to turn their misfortune into an opportunity to help others. They rallied the villagers together and organized a community cleanup effort. With their unwavering determination and infectious optimism, they inspired everyone to work together towards a common goal. As the days passed and the village began to rebuild, something magical happened. The sense of community grew stronger than ever before. Neighbors helped each other rebuild their homes, families shared meals and stories,